In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shorten your Calendly link. This simple but incredibly effective trick can make your scheduling link more memorable, professional, and easy to share, whether you're sending it out to clients, colleagues, or including it on your business card. Firstly, let's navigate to the Calendly homepage. If you're unfamiliar with Calendly, it's a fantastic free online tool that allows you to schedule appointments without the back and forth emails. Once you arrive at the Calendly website, look for and click on the Login option. This will take you closer to accessing your personalized scheduling link. Now, given that many of us use various online services, Calendly offers a seamless login experience by allowing you to continue with Google. This means less hassle remembering another password. Click on Continue with Google and choose the account you'd like to associate with your Calendly. This integration not only simplifies the login process, but also makes it easy to sync your Calendly with your Google Calendar, ensuring you never double book. After logging in, you'll want to navigate directly to your Calendly dashboard. This is where all your scheduling magic happens. Your dashboard allows you to manage appointments, meeting types, and importantly for today's tutorial, your personalized link. On the top right corner of the Calendly dashboard, you'll notice your profile picture or an avatar if you haven't set one up yet. Click on this to access a drop-down menu, and from here, select My Link. This section is crucial because it's where you'll be able to customize your unique Calendly link. Once you're in the My Link section, you'll see your current Calendly URL. It typically consists of the Calendly domain followed by a string of text, which by default is your username or a generated set of characters. Although functional, this default URL can sometimes be long, complex, or not very reflective of your brand or personal identity. Here's where you can make a change. You'll notice an option to edit this link. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up the possibility to tailor your Calendly URL to something short, sweet, and memorable. Maybe you want it to include your name, your business name, or even a specific service you're offering consultations for. Keep in mind, the key here is making it easy to remember and type, without compromising on professionalism. Once you've entered your new desired link, it's time to lock in those changes. Look for the Save Changes button and give it a click. This will update your Calendly URL across the platform, instantly making your scheduling link cleaner and more personalized. Before wrapping up, it's important to remember that changing your Calendly link will also change the URL you may have shared previously. So it's a good idea to update your link wherever you've shared your old one, be it email signatures, business cards, or social media profiles, to ensure a seamless scheduling experience for your clients or colleagues. In conclusion, by following these straightforward steps, you've not only enhanced the professionalism of your scheduling process, but also made it easier for others to find and book time with you. Customizing your Calendly link is a small but significant tweak that can have a lasting impact on your personal brand or business's efficiency and perception. Thanks for tuning in to today's tutorial on how to shorten your Calendly link. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on more helpful guides and tips to streamline your professional processes. Until next time, stay productive.